So I see it's been reported that Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin has been hospitalized at Walter Reed. And first, let me just say that I wish him a speedy recovery from whatever ails him. And I wish I could leave it at that, but unfortunately there's more to the story. Apparently, the president wasn't made aware of his hospitalization until 3 days later. Neither was Congress made aware, and apparently even his deputy secretary, Kathleen Hicks, was not made aware, and she was actually in Puerto Rico on vacation at the time. Now, this is quite alarming because one just has to imagine what would have happened if, there had been a major incident that required the Defense Secretary to be involved during that time. He wasn't available, and his deputy wasn't available, and nobody even knew that he wasn't available. So it really boggles the mind to think that the administration could be this irresponsible on such an important issue. And unfortunately, it seems that this is simply emblematic of the way in which the Biden administration has been running things. It seems that they consider themselves not subject to the laws that govern the way government is supposed to operate in the United States. We see this at the border, where the laws that Congress established regarding immigration are not being followed by the administration. And then, when a border state like Texas decides to police their own border, the administration jumps in and brings legal action against them to prevent them from doing that. So clearly it's not a case where the administration just doesn't have the funds that they need to secure the border. It's a conscious decision on their part that they don't want to enforce the border. They consider themselves to be above the law. And then in the same way, they consider themselves to be above the law regarding the notifications that need to happen when the Secretary of Defense is unable to perform his duties. It's shameful, but that's what we have, and the only thing we can do about it is try and change it in November. Anyway, those are my views. Let me know what yours are in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.